Alright, so I'm just going to show you all how you can go ahead and update your user profile, and we're going to feature a couple of things that we've just added to our website. So if you go to MakeHaven.org and then do /user, it will bring you to your user profile. Now if you're not already logged in, you're going to need to log in. It'll prompt you to do so, but if you are, it's going to bring you right to your profile. And here I want to edit. When I click edit, I'm going to see that I have two different tabs here, my account and my profile. So starting here in account, one of the things that we've just added is the preferred pronoun dropdown. So if you would like to select your preferred pronouns, that's completely optional, but here's where you do it. You just click here, and as we're logged in as the MakeHaven robot, the MakeHaven robot's preferred pronouns are these. So we'll just scroll down here once we've selected and hit save. That simple. You'll see the changes have been saved up top. The other thing I wanted to talk about is in order to update your interests, you're going to click on the member profile on this tab. There's a lot of things that you can update here, information about yourself, your phone number, things like that. Right now I'm focusing on the interests here. So you can see our little robot, when they first started, only had a couple of interests. Just added robotics and printmaking, but now as they've been with us for a while, there are several more. The reason this is important to try to keep up to date is that it helps to build our community. It's helpful for other makers to know who has similar interests if folks are looking to connect or collaborate, or if they have questions. And it's also a great way for staff to identify who might be interested in a specific event that's coming up, to plan events and meetups, and to gauge where the interest of our community lie. You can basically go through and select anything that might be of interest from the list and add it on just by clicking the add button. When you do that, you'll see it refreshes, and then you'll see your additional interest is down on the list. You can just repeat the process for as many interests as you want. You can use the drop down, or you can also put the cursor at the top of the interest list and start typing to be able to search that way. You'll notice some areas have subcategories that will pop up. Here, if we click under art, let's say we're interested in multiple kinds of art, so we can say functional art, but then we can also go back to that menu and say we're also interested in painting. Keep in mind that you don't have to select a subcategory, but if you select just the parent category, you won't be located as easily for specific areas. We know it's a pretty extensive list, and you're welcome to select as many as you see fit. Just be sure after all your hard work that you scroll down and hit save, and you see the changes have been saved. And that's it.